Let's make some deviled eggs. This is important. A water cup to rinse your knife off after you cut each one. There we go. Those two are pretty good. Now we just have to do that 100 more times. We ended up with 38 eggs in here, so essentially 3 dozen. Okay, I think that's what we're looking for. All right, if you have a piping bag, feel free to use that. I don't, so we use a Ziploc. We're gonna load up this Ziploc with our mixture. This very well may be the best part of making deviled eggs. Just gonna pipe it into my face. Make sure you do that when you're making these. All right, we got our bag zipped. Find you a corner, and sometimes you have to recut, but that might be too big. Oh, this Ziploc, it's got the weird bottom, so we got 2 holes. Okay, we're making it interesting. All right, to garnish these things, we're just going traditional paprika. Just kind of rub that paprika between your fingers just a little bit, just a tiny bit. And lastly, just going in with a little bit of dry parsley over the top. Just as little as you can get. There they are. Look good. You know how I know that they look good? Because there's one missing there. Thought I was recording. I wasn't. Now I am. So I'm going to have a second one to show you how good it is. I love deviled eggs. Gah. Can't have too many of them today, though. It's Easter. Happy Easter. Later, taters.